Hello everyone, this is Venkatesh Chaturvedi, one of the educators on Unacademy. मैं यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज कैटेगरी के लिए पिछले 5 साल से अनअकैडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म पे पढ़ा रहा हूँ. It has been a wonderful journey teaching on the platform, being able to reach out to the nooks and crannies of the country and impacting so many lives. आज हम लोग नए एपिसोड के साथ आए हैं ऑफ आउट ऑफ सिलेबस विद द अनअकैडमी टीम. So my name is Venkatesh and this is a name which was kept by my grandparents. So though it's a very unlike name for a North Indian boy because Venkatesh is a name which is generally kept in the southern part of the country. But my grandparents worship Lord Venkatesh, Tirupati Balaji, and for that particular purpose my name has been kept after the Lord Venkatesh or Lord Tirupati. Alright, so the question is very interesting because I've been teaching, so kind of have forgotten my student days. But if I recollect, I was quite diligent, so I wouldn't say that I used to miss a lot of classes. I had a very good attendance in school as well as in college. In fact, if I remember from my school times, I would say 120% attendance. Now you would be wondering why. So actually, I used to feel a lot of comfort in the classroom environment to study in school. So जब मैं IIT JEE के लिए पढ़ रहा होता था तो Saturdays को या जो public holidays हैं, I used to actually go to school and there would be no one, just some teachers might be there. So I used to interact with the teachers to get my doubts cleared and just sit in the empty classroom and study. That way what used to also happen was कि I basically had a good routine कि नहीं तो क्या होता है बहुत बार you get lazy on the weekends or you get lazy on the vacations and you get up late and things like that. So that was sorted. So दिन भर की पढ़ाई एक बार कर ली and then you get a sense of empowerment after lunch that you've studied enough for the day. So that was one thing. So I was very diligent in terms of studies. I used to interact with the teachers as well. But simultaneously I also would participate in different sports activities. Like I was an athlete running in the 100 and 200 meters races in school as well as in college, represented my college football team as well. So there has been both sides of me, being a diligent student as well as someone who likes to chill, who likes to party, who likes to dance, who likes to sing songs, play the guitar, play football, play sports. So I think these are some of the things which might teachers would also highlight. Yeah. So one of the characteristics which I have is that I like to be known to a lot of people. I like to interact with a lot of people. I like to in general be known. So between the two, there's no doubt I'll be inclined towards being famous than being rich. I think I have a funny side to myself. I am known for my poor jokes. That is the kind of jokes I tell. In fact, my friends call my jokes कि ये तो PJ से भी बुरे हैं, तो they have given it the name of VJs, that is Venky's jokes. So I like to, between the two also, I like to stay funny than being the smartest person in the room. Interesting question. Because of the COVID, which has stuck the world in the last 1.5 years, it's very difficult to actually even contemplate what the world would look like in the next 6 months. But I would definitely believe that by 2030, the world and the community, the global community would have realized that how much we have, depleted our resources, how much of pressure we have put on our Mother Earth, and would mend the ways. Because technically, if we see, partially the reason for the COVID was also some of the malpractices that the humans have themselves taken in terms of habitat loss of the wildlife. So I would firmly believe that in the experience of the COVID pandemic with so many deaths, so many cases, and just the sheer problems that it has created would actually give a particular chilling effect to the human and the mankind to actually mend their ways in the future and go towards more sustainable development, go towards a path where we utilize less and less fossil fuels. We go for conservation of biodiversity as well as the wildlife. So I think these are a few things which I contemplate and foresee for 2030 for the world community. So I have a few talents. Some of them might be known to some of the learners, but many of them may not know. So one of the talents that I have is that I play the guitar and I sing. So that is one of the things. Apart from that, something which the learners have possibly not seen is me dance. So I like to dance a lot. I like to dance on the dance floor, on the जब भी DJ night होता था college में, even in the office parties and things like that, I like to dance a lot. So that is something which I kind of think I'm good at. I hope so. So those are the two things which I would say are some of my talents. My favorite song. Alright, so there. So one of the favorite songs for certain reasons is Gulabi Aankhein, the old song. So I generally like, that is one of the songs which is very, very, interesting in terms of the lyrics, in terms of some of the memories which I have from college. So yeah, I would say that, Gulabi Aankhein is one of the songs which I really like. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया. Okay, as a student, one of the favorite memories I would actually have are some of, I think, obviously, as students in college and in school, we have so many memories, right? It's very difficult to pinpoint one of them. But I think one of the memories which I have is from the time I basically traveled with the other students of college for the inter-IT sports meet. So as I told you, I was in the football team. I was also the student coordinator in terms of the sports of the college. So हम लोग we had a wonderful journey from Patna to Mumbai in 2014 December. तो वो जर्नी जो थी ट्रेन की, जिसमें हम लोग ने काफ़ी फन एक्टिविटीज़ की थी, रास्ते भर काफ़ी गप्पे भी मारी थी, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ जैमिंग सेशंस, गाने गाए, अंताक्षरी खेली. सो दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द मेमोरीज विच आई हैव, जहाँ पे बहुत मज़ा आया था जूनियर्स के साथ, सीनियर्स के साथ. And subsequently, the whole experience of being able to represent your college at the inter-IT sports meet. So वहाँ पे Sachin Tendulkar was the chief guest, and उनके सामने जा करके in fact IIT Patna won the March Past medal. So generally, because the modern the modern IITs are not so much able to compete with the older IITs in sports. So हम लोग को बहुत उस समय स्ट्रगल होता था मेडल्स पाने के लिए. So that was the first trophy that IIT Patna had actually won at the inter-IT sports meet. So that particular event, जब सचिन तेंदुलकर ने बोला कि and the first prize goes to IIT Patna, and I leading that particular contingent, and the kind of exuberance which followed among the contingents, about 80 of us which were there, that I think was one of the very good memories which I have from college. In terms of a movie which I've watched more than once, I would say Zindagi Mili Ki Na Dobara, because as I told you, friendship is very, very, very important to me, and the kind of friendship those three guys had, and a lot of fun activities which they have, and the kind of trip which they took is something which I also contemplate with my best friends. That हम लोग भी जब maybe we are 30, 35, we would also, take off from our work completely and travel for a month together, kind of rebond. Because बहुत बार क्या होता है कि आप है ना अपने दिन के कामों में, अपने नॉर्मल वर्क में इतना बिजी हो जाते हैं that you kind of forget the kind of bonding that you have with a few of your friends, and I think reconnecting with them is something very important. And that is something also I think most of us have realized in the COVID lockdown time, that जब आप मिल नहीं पाए अपने friends से, right? So that particular so that movie kind of provides me this particular hope that yes, we would fight COVID and then हम लोग सब घूम फिर पाएंगे normally, जैसे pre COVID era में कर पाते थे. Mukesh Ambani. Yeah, I think one thing which I like to do is, because I would be owning Mumbai Indians, I would like to meet the team. That is the first thing I like to do. कि चलो रोहित शर्मा से, हार्दिक पांड्या से, बुमराह से, सचिन तेंदुलकर से, जितने भी उनके old and new players हैं, उन सबसे मिल के आना है एक बार. That is the first thing I like to do. So that's a very conflicting thing right now, because historically I've supported Mumbai Indians, but in the present scenario, generally एक बार मेरे को थोड़ा सा soft corner हो जाता है towards a team which kind of is considered to be an underdog. So I'm supporting Chennai Super Kings this time, because of the fact that I'm a Dhoni supporter first of all, and secondly that last year का उनका जो performance था इतना अच्छा नहीं था, तो now when we are seeing them come back stronger, that is kind of big motivating factor. And I think therefore this year I'm supporting Chennai, but generally it was always Mumbai Indians. Alright, so the first app which I like to obviously keep is the Unacademy Learning app. Right, the second app I like to keep is the Unacademy Educator app. Alright, and the third app I like to keep WhatsApp, because I need to be connected with a lot of people, my friends and even the Unacademy team, and a lot of my learners as well. So first of all, as I told you, I play the guitar and I like to sing. So that is one thing which I very often do whenever I am feeling down, whenever I am feeling even happy. मतलब mood के हिसाब से गाना change हो जाता है. But that is something which is a constant, that I like to just pick up my guitar and play a few songs. That is one activity which I like to do. And the second one is being involved in sports. So as I told you, I was a footballer in college. So that is something which I continued even after college. During the lockdown, इतना obviously नहीं हो पा रहा है, because we can't go out much. But in the brief time जब थोड़ा lockdown ease out हुआ था and the cases were not high, I and my dad, we started playing squash. So just also because of the fact that वहाँ पे आप दो लोग ही खेल रहे होते हो, so there is less risk. So squash is something which I have picked up in the last 1 year. So yeah, sports, so physical उसके लिए आपके well-being के लिए, as well as mental well-being के लिए, guitar and music are two things which I like to do. 50,000 people in front of me. I think I would deliver a speech about, I think because I've been associated with the education sector and the edtech industry, I will be very comfortable in talking about the pros, the cons, how our edtech sector has flourished. So edtech sector, education is something which I am very, very deeply, associated with. I would like to, even, in the future be associated with education in some way or the other. And therefore, I think education, edtech sector are two things I'd like to focus upon if I had to give a speech to that many number of people. Golgappe. I can't live without chaat and Golgappe specifically, right? So it's known by different names: Pani Puri, Puchka, right? Gupchup, Golgappe. So that particular thing is something which I really relish, and therefore I like that a lot. And the second thing I like to add on is a cheese burst pizza is something which is something I love. So पिज्ज़ा में भी चीज़ बस होना चाहिए. This is a very specific thing which I fuss about a lot. Without cheese bus I can't have pizzas. Beach. I love to be in the beach. I love to stroll on the beach, go into the seashore. So beach is where I would like to be. Oh, this is an interesting question once again. पता नहीं learners इसके बाद भारी judge मानने लग जाएंगे शायद. So I've done quite a lot of naughty things in college, but I think one thing which comes to my mind is that we did a prank call to a friend of ours. So in fact, prank call किया था. We had some of the females of the college in on that. तो हम लोग ने उनके साथ मिलकर के one of our colleagues को prank call किया था. I wouldn't go into the details because it is a little scandalous. But yes, it was a lot of fun to see the person being very, very confused, and then later obviously we had a lot of laugh all together. It was all in fun and games, nothing vicious, but yes, we that particular prank which we played on a friend was something which I was integral part of. Alright guys, so we are at the end of this particular episode. That was a sneak peek into my life and about myself. अगले कुछ एपिसोड्स में हम लोग और अमेजिंग एजुकेटर्स को लेकर के आएंगे एंड आप लोग उनके बारे में भी जान पाएंगे. सो दैट इज फ्रॉम माय साइड. लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड लेट्स क्रैक इट.